Hi everyone, this is Naira. For today, I want to show you something very special for me. My sketchbook. It's just a single book, but it's been with me through many years, and I changed my style and my mood a lot. Let's see them together.
In the beginning, everything was black and white, just pencils, shadows, and a lot of trying to understand shapes and anatomy. I didn't use colors at all. I was honestly afraid to, but later I started to feel curious about colors, so I picked up colored pencils. And here, this part was the first time I ever worked on brown paper. It felt so strange at first, but the warmth of it made me realize how different color moods could change the whole drawing. Then I had this phase where I started using leftover markers and random magic pens from other projects. I began using them from underpainting just as a base layer. It turned into a mix between sketching and fashion illustration, something I really enjoyed because it felt creative and unexpected. It was one of those moments when I stopped following rules and just followed what felt right. And finally, I came back to the style I loved the most: simple colored pencils. No base color, no heavy layers, just quiet detailed strokes and focus on light, texture, and emotion. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.